Students of class 4th, chapter 1, exercise 4. Chapter 1 is number and numeration. Exercise 4. In this exercise 4, we have to discuss over the face value and place value. I have already explained about the face value and place value. So in first question, we have to find out the place value and face value of these numbers. So we will write one by one their values. Question number 1, part A. This is 13,791. The colored numbers place value and face value we have to write. The face value of any number, any digit, is the digit itself. The face value in any number, suppose that in this number the face value of 7 is 7, in this number face value of 4 is 4, face value of 7 is 7, face value of 5 is 5, face value of 8 is 8, face value of 1 is 1, face value of 7 is 7, face value of 9 is 9. Means the face value of the digit in any number is the digit itself, but in the in case of the place value of any digit is the product of the digit and the value. Suppose that in this question there is a 7 and 7 is at 100th place, so the place value of 7 in this number, 7 into 100 means 700. In this number 24,352, the 4 is at 1000th place, so simply multiply 4 with 1000, so 4 1 ja 4 and this is 1000. In this number 7 is at 1000th place, so the place value of 7 into 1000, it will be 7000. In the next number, in this number the fifth digit 5 is at 10,000th place, so the place value of 5 in this number is 5 into, multiply the digit with its place, place. The place is 10,000, so 10,000 into 5 will be 50,000. So place value of digit 5 in this number is 50,000. Now in the next point, 8,23,179. The place value of 8 is, digit is 8, it is at 1 lakh place, so simply multiply 8 with 1 lakh, then it will be 8 lakh. So the place value of 8 in this number is 8 lakh. This is 8 lakh. 51,757. The place value of 1 in this number, 1 is at 1000th place, simply multiply 1 with 1000, so it gives 1000. Means in order to find out the place value of any number and face value of any number, face value is the of any digit, face value of any digit is the digit itself, but place value of any digit in any number is the value of the product, or value is the product of digit and the value of the digit, means place of the digit. Question number 2, the second question is, find the difference between the place value and face value of 6 in this number. The number is given there, number is 5,26,521, number is 5,26,000, number is 5,26,000, 5,26,521, 521. In this number we have to find out the difference between place value and face value of 6. So first of all you will write place value of 6 equal to, 6 is at 1000th place, means 6,000. This is the place value, and face value of 6 is 6. Face value of any digit is the digit itself, and now we have to find the difference. Difference means subtraction. Simply subtract 6 from this number. So 0 minus 6, this gives 0, this gives 4 9 9 5. This is the subtraction. So question number 2, this is find out the difference between place value and face value of the number, of the given number, of difference between the place value and face value of 6 in this number. This is the answer, that is 4994. Next, question 3, find out the sum of the place value of 2 5s in this number 2,35,257. This is the number. We have to find out the sum of place values of both 5s in this 2,35,257, 2,35,257, 2,35,257. There are 2 5s, this and this. First of all, find the place value of these 5. Place values are, this is 5,000 and 5,050. Now find the sum according to question. Find the sum. So sum equal to 5,000 plus 50. Add them. So this will be 5,050. This will be the answer of this question. Question number 3. Now question number 4. Fourth question. Write the expanded form of the following numbers. Expanded form we already discussed in the first exercise. Now this is 25,308, 20,000 plus 5,000 plus 300 plus 8. Tens place is not there, so simply you can place 00 at tens place. Part B, 75,173. So 70,000 plus 5,000 plus 100 plus 70 plus 3. All the parts are the same part. Similarly, question number 5, this is just opposite question from the fourth question was there. Expanded notation, and in the fifth question we have to write the numbers short form. So to write the short form, simply read these numbers. So 1,30,000, 1,30,000 and 2,000 means 32,176. This is 5 lakh and 60,000 and 5,000 means 5 lakh. So you can also write first of all there the PVC means place value chart. This is 5 lakh. Lakh place is there. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. This is 5 lakh place 5. 60,000 and 50,000 means 10,000 place 6,000, 60,000 at 1,000 place 5, 480 and 7. So it will be 5,65,487. 5,65,487. Simply point C. This is the same question as the above parts. Fourth exercise is over. Now in this exercise, if you have any type of doubt, watch the video 2-3 times to find the to get the next video. Press the bell icon of the video, so you will get the notification of next upcoming video. Thank you.